Hello, welcome to this little video on appendiceal neoplasms. It is a very interesting topic, so as a part of our little roadmap, we're going to describe low grade appendiceal mucinous neoplasms, high grade mucinous adenocarcinomas, goblet cell carcinoid tumors, and then well differentiated neuroendocrine tumors. So first one we have is low-grade appendiceal mucinous neoplasm. So on histology, you can kind of appreciate that there is villus architecture. There's also going to be hypermucinous epithelial cells, and you're going to have effacement of the lamina propria. You'll have crowded crypts and also cytological dysplasia. So the main thing to remember is that you're going to see flattened and villiform patterns of growth. So epithelial cells are going to contain basally oriented, small, darkly stained nuclei that are relatively uniform. The nucleoli will be inconspicuous, most likely. The cytoplasm will notably contain abundant mucin, and that results in low nuclear to cytoplasmic ratios. And then in terms of molecular, they can be characterized by frequent KRAS mutations, generally do not show microsatellite instability or BRAF mutations. In terms of the high-grade form, the main difference here is that there is going to be cytologic atypia, and that's going to be marked. And then you're also going to appreciate like a cribiform pattern being visible. But the key here with the high-grade is that there's no infiltrative invasion. Next we have mucinous adenocarcinoma. So this picture is a little bit blurry, but the main thing you want to appreciate with adenocarcinoma versus the mucinous neoplasms we were discussing earlier is that these are going to have infiltrative invasion. So you're going to see signs of desmoplasia, which is that bluish kind of stroma surrounding the tumor. And then you're going to have tumor budding as well as small angulated irregular glands. So altogether, this helps to point towards an infiltrative process. So you're going to be thinking adenocarcinoma. If you see the term pseudomyxoma peritonei, then that refers to the neoplastic process actually filling the abdomen with extracellular mucin. And amazing work, we finished the mucinous part of appendiceal tumors. So this one here is going to be, move this up here. This is the goblet cell carcinoid tumor. So there are different like names for this I was reading about, but I'm just going to refer to it as goblet cell carcinoid. You may see other terms for it just as a heads up, but generally these are going to be more aggressive than the classic appendiceal carcinoid tumors. Oftentimes when patients going for surgery, they're suspecting acute appendicitis, and these are unexpected findings. They can grow deeply within the appendix. They're going to stain positive for mucicarmine and CEA. They're only going to stain partially for neuroendocrine markers. Common markers also include CK20, CK7, CK19, and CD99. And then these tumors are frequently going to spread to lymph nodes, peritoneum, and ovaries, so they're quite aggressive. And then on histology, on histology, you'll see small nests, clusters, and cores of neoplastic cells that have mucin vacuoles and small basally located nuclei, so they kind of look like goblet cells as the name entails. Last one here that we have is well differentiated neuroendocrine tumors. So these are going to kind of look like neuroendocrine tumors that you would expect in other areas of the body. This is the most common tumor in the appendix. The great majority of appendiceal neuroendocrine tumors occur at the tip/distal third of the organ, which is why we obtain the tip when we're submitting it for submitting the appendix. We submit that routinely because you're looking out for an unexpected neuroendocrine tumor or an incidental neuroendocrine tumor finding. So the majority of tumors are less than 1 centimeter in diameter, and it's very rare for them to be greater than 2. This is a lot of this is based off of Rosai's, but this is like the exact definition from Rosai's is that they're going to be unencapsulated, tightly packed, solid nest of small monotonous cells, which you can see over here with eosinophilic or amphiphilic cytoplasm. And then the nuclei are going to be very uniform, small, round, and they have that speckled or salt and pepper chromatin. And then lymphovascular evasion is also typical for these tumors. So have to be careful and keep an eye out for that. Congratulations, you leveled up. You now know a little bit about appendiceal tumors. I hope that this helps. Of course, let me know if you have any questions below. I am happy to answer them, and have a great day. Bye.